In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram keeps logging you out problem. So for that, first of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is stable and working. Second of all, press and hold on to Instagram. Click on more features. Go to app info. From here, click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Here you will find clear cache written in bright red. Click on it. After that, go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. Now the next thing that you can do is make sure that you have not turned on any VPN, proxy or anything turned on. Now next thing is click on Instagram. From here, click on your profile icon. Then click on this three lines menu bar in the top right. After that, go to Account Center. Go to Password and Security. From here, you can change your password if you like to change it, or you can simply click on where you're logged in. After that, click on your account. There you will find multiple devices where you're logged in. Simply click on select devices to log out from and select all the unnecessary devices or unknown devices. Then you'll have to click on log out. Then you will be sent a code in your Gmail. Simply copy the code and then paste it here and it will be logged out. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.